I'm so excited. I've not had a laptop for the better part of this year. I have been borrowing my best friend's laptop, and the person has been vexing for me. Oh, even if I've been so like humbled by generosity, but person they vex for me one time. But I'm happy that they were there for me during my time of struggle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dose Abege. If this is your first time stopping by, hi, hello. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back once again. Guys, today's video is going to be a little bit of a different type of video. Today we are going to be unboxing the new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. So if you'd like to see the unboxing, let's get right on into the video. A little bit of a backstory. I have been laptopless for the past couple of months because my former baby decided to leave us. Amongst the many things that 2020 has decided to be chaotic about, my former laptop decided to just go to a better place. But when one door closes, another door opens. Oh, disclaimer, this is in no way me bragging. If anything, please, I need help. This is a purchase for me that I'm happy to obviously make, because I need a laptop for school and editing, and I've been borrowing laptop and it's about time I get my own. So this is in no way me bragging, because I can't even brag. So what happened to my former laptop? It's the charger spoiled randomly, and I tried to do electrician work. So I was trying to do electrician work and I was putting the two edges of the wires, cutting it and trying to fix it. And then my laptop worked for a few minutes, and after that it just stopped working. I did not know what had happened, right? So I took it to like someone to fix it, like a computer store, and they tried to jumpstart the laptop, like something about a hard reset or something. Everything I tried, nothing worked. I thought, obviously, bought a new charger. The new charger did not work on the laptop, and lo and behold, they told me the diagnosis was that my motherboard had been fried due to me doing electrician work. I've had this laptop for 5 years. 5 years. It went strong. It's been with me through medical school, up, down, for many years to come. And I was really devastated that it had to die then, especially with the way 2020 was going. I was like, no, not you too. But anyways, by the grace of God, I've been able to get a new one. So let's get right into the unboxing. So this is the laptop. This is the box it came in with, obviously shipping information on the other side. So let's see.
Not so perfect.
Eh?
Not so perfect.
Okay, who am I kidding? I had to open this laptop before when it came, because I had to make sure that the people that shipped it to me did not, there was no damages. But let's just pretend it's the first time. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! So this is my new baby. This is what my baby looks like. Like I said, I had to check before this video just to make sure that people who shipped the laptop did not damage it before bringing it to me. So I took off the plastic wrap on the box, so which was very satisfying. I wish I had that on camera, but you know, safety first. So just taking off the box. So this is what the laptop looks like in the box, and it also has another plastic wrap on it, and then this like plastic wrap thing where you could raise it up through, and this is the laptop. Love it. In comparison to the former one, it's thinner. It's still the same MacBook Pro 13-inch, but this is heavier and this is way thinner. This is the mid 2014 MacBook Pro, and I believe this is the early 2020 MacBook. These are what they look like. As you can see, this laptop beat. I used it like well. So taking off the plastic wrap or paper. This is what it looks like. It's really sleek. I love the silver finishing. Lovely, lovely. Oh, and in the box you also get a charger, like a laptop charger, and like a card saying designed by Apple in California, and also the adapter for the charger. What else is in here? You get some Apple stickers and like a manual telling you about the keys and everything, which is cool. Love that, love that. Yeah, that's basically what comes in the box. Now, right off the bat, my review, or rather my first impression, is it's really sleek and it's slim. Like, it's way slimmer than the other one, and I know it's because of the fact that they've taken out the USB ports and HDMI ports and SD card ports, which, to be very honest, like, you know, it's just like really everyone who uses a laptop uses those things. So if you need to use those things on a MacBook, you need to buy the adapter. Which brings me to this purchase I made as well from Amazon. This is a USB Type-C hub. Now, Apple sells the like adapters for the SD cards and the hard drives separately on their site, which is like a lot of money, and the laptop is already a lot of money. So I saved on that by buying this universal kind of hub that could attach to an SD card, a hard drive, also like your phone charger. So this, I hope, will come in very handy in terms of like attaching those devices to my laptop, since they have eliminated all those ports on the newer MacBook. So opening it up, ooh, it comes with like this covering and the keys. Also, another difference I would say from my former laptop is the touchscreen option. So looking at it right off the bat, I can see they have like a touchscreen here. I'm very skeptical about that, if I'm being honest, because like I don't want my thing to spoil, because sometimes not all technology is good. I know I may be sounding like a bit primitive here. I feel like I would rely more on keys than this, which I hope it doesn't spoil anything. But then this is what it looks like, so sleek. Taking this off. So I'm just going to go ahead to set up the laptop, and obviously English. Use English as the main language. Press the return key. Return. I'm so excited. I've not had a laptop for the better part of this year. I have been borrowing my best friend's laptop, and the person has been vexing for me. Oh, even if I've been so like humbled by generosity, but the person they vex for me one time. But I'm happy that they were there for me during my time of struggle. Oh, look at the touch screen coming on. Next, I have to set up my Wi-Fi, which I'm going to do next. This is so cool. So, in comparing the two laptops, right off the bat I can see that the keypad of the older one is smaller than the newer one, like is way wider, and also like the touch bar over here as opposed to having keys on this side, and also like the thickness of the laptop. This is way thinner in comparison to the older one, which is thicker, most likely due to the extra ports that they have. So I'm just going to try to set this up and see how it goes. Okay, I'm trying to set up and it's asking to charge the laptop before I proceed, so I'm just going to do that. So I'm setting up, and Siri, I have to say, hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? So it's showing me I have just finished setting up Siri. Next up, I'm trying to figure out how to work the Touch ID, which I'm excited to learn because, this is new technology. This is the fingerprint feature, and it's asking me to lift my finger and place it repeatedly. And if you look on the laptop, the touch part is like, this screen there is like showing stuff. Okay, this is a cool little feature. I could add like my card, and if it says position your card in the frame, and it could save my card details for purchases, for Apple Pay and stuff like that. This is a cool little feature. Oh, I'm also like playing a YouTube video, and I noticed that whilst the video is playing, let me just put that on mute. Whilst the video is playing, I could actually get to see the tabs right there, and I could adjust the volume. I could switch from tab to tab, which is so cool. I could also like adjust the screen brightness, which is so cool. And also like I could actually adjust the play head in the video. Oh, that's just going back between pages. Like, it's so cool the things you could. Hi guys, I was unable to film an outro for this video, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to get something from this unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Till next time guys, much love, bye.